Hey guys, so today we are going to try to diagnose and fix the passenger side windshield wiper, because when you turn on the windshield wipers, that one doesn't move at all. But the problem is to get to the assembly, you actually have to take a whole panel off just below the windshield wipers. So we're gonna go ahead and show you how to do that, show you what tools you need, and then we believe it's a little bushing that is causing the issue. And so we went and picked up some at Autozone. I'll go ahead and show you guys which one we picked up as well. So this is the bushing kit we picked up, part number 49447, if you want to write that down really quick. But they have these at Autozone, so just check there. So first you're going to want to use a torque screwdriver and remove these two screws on this assembly. Next you're going to want to pull this little cap up on the windshield wipers and use a 13mm ratchet to take it off. After that, you kind of have to wiggle it out. It's going to take a little bit of force, but once again my dad broke it up, so it came off pretty easily. Next, what you're going to want to do is, as you can see, we've removed 3 of them already. You're going to want to use a piece of paper so you don't scratch the paint, a flat head and some pliers, and you're going to pull out these little rivets, and be careful not to break them. If you do break them, they're easy to replace, but if you can save them and reuse them, you might as well. So just try to pull up one side with the flat head and then just carefully pull it out with some pliers, and it's going to be kind of a task, but you got to do it. After you've removed all those, you can just pull this part off. So as you guys can see down here, there's this little lever arm that is broken and not connected to anything. Let's see. Right here. So that should be connected to this, and it's not. So what you need to do is pull this little black thing up, use a 10mm socket to just unbolt this whole assembly from the body, and there's a bolt here and a bolt on the other side, so we'll start here. So then you have to unplug this. So basically what you do is it's plugged in like this, and you have to basically slide up this little red piece here, and then it'll just come off pretty easily. So then you can kind of just lift it up. This isn't bolted to anything, so you can just kind of pick up this whole assembly, just kind of pull it out. Okay, so as you guys can see, here's the assembly, and this was the part that was broken, and this was the old bushing that was in there. So you just have to pretty much break this one out somehow. And then now you have this whole assembly, and you have to put a new bushing on there. So what you're going to want to do is take this shape of the bushing and just kind of keep filing it down until it fits in here, but you want to make sure that it's snug and that it pops in, because if it just slides in and doesn't stay in, then it's just going to pop off again while you're driving. So just keep kind of toying with it until you can press fit it in. So now that we have this in there, we have to figure out how to press it into here. So as you guys can see, once it is reassembled, we tested it before filming it too. See if they seem to work. So we're good. So basically all you had to do is replace that bearing, or not bearing, I just forgot the word, but they work, and that's all that matters. The bushing, there we go, thank you. That's it. It's kind of a pain to take it apart and put it back together and replace that bushing, but I guess it's worth it so you could see in the rain, and it's perfect because Actually started raining right now too. So thank you guys for watching. Like the video if it helped, and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time.